Hi, I'm David Henderson. I designed and built this printer from scratch to perform a design validation for an industry project. It uses UV light to set a resin in layers about a rotating build form to build spiral-shaped objects. The most novel feature of this printer is that it prints segment-shaped, variable depth layer every projection. This is a world first. The design and build was broken into three areas: the mechanical elements, frame, resin vat, and axis motion; the electronics, stepper motors and linear carrier control; and the software, using C and Python to synchronize the mechatronics and projector and process images. The research, design and results form my capstone thesis at UTS. This technology may pave the way to enable industrial scale printing of full-sized gravity separator spirals and other spiral-shaped objects. Thanks for watching.